Hi everybody. I wanted to take about 2 minutes of your time to show you how to use Gusto to run an after-the-fact payroll. What I mean by after-the-fact payroll is that during the month you have paid yourself out of your business account, but you have not calculated the tax on that. So what we want to do is go ahead and go to Run Payroll over here on the side once you're logged into Gusto. And then you're going to scroll down until you get to Off-Cycle Payroll. Click on Off-Cycle Payroll. And this is a demo company, so they have a bunch of employees and you probably don't. So we're just going to use this employee as an example. So you're going to go click on Enter Payment. And you're going to click on Net Earnings. Now remember, we want to enter net earnings because you've been paying yourself throughout the month, but you haven't calculated tax on it. So what Gusto is going to do for us is do what we call gross up that pay. So it's going to calculate tax on top of your net. So let's just say that you as an S corporation shareholder, $2,000 worth of checks or transfers to your personal account during the month. So we entered $2,000 here, and then we click Calculate Gross from Net. And so Gusto is going to add on top of that amount. So based on the W-4 that you entered when you set up Gusto, Gusto will decide what the tax should have been on that $2,000 or what the gross wages should have been. And so in this case, it's $3,005.94. Now make sure that you change this where it says direct deposit to check, because you've already written yourself the checks or made the transfers throughout the month. Review this page, make sure that your payment date is correct. What I will tell you to do is just let this date be the last day of the month if you're calculating for payroll tax for the entire month for yourself. So go ahead and scroll down when you're satisfied that everything is correct and hit Save and Continue. And this screen is if you have employees for whom you calculate paid time off, so which is most likely not the case. So just hit Save and Continue here. And Gusto is going to calculate a preview. So remember that you are responsible for both the employer and the employee tax. So what Gusto has done here is based on your gross wages of $3,005.94. It has also calculated the employer portion, which is $229.96. So now you have a total cash outlay for the month of $3,356. Now at this time, you're going to be charged for your payroll taxes of $1,025.48. So you're going to go ahead and click Submit Payroll. And Gusto is going to politely remind you to write the checks. You probably don't need to pay much attention to this because you've probably already written yourself the checks or transfers throughout the month. So you just say that the checks are ready and you have completed your payroll.